Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. So yeah, the market is still actually doing its thing. Yesterday we tried our best, but you know what? The market was not actually seriously moving. We had a buy pending order, by the way, and you know what? The market just touched our order, then went straight to the stop loss. Guess what? That's how the market does stuff, and that's how the market do things, guys. This is like not for those people who doesn't expect to lose. If maybe you tried to trade, or maybe you want to trade and you don't really expect to lose, just know that this is not for you. This is not for you if maybe you're not willing to lose. So we have to lose something. And you know what? I think we did not actually get it wrong, because I can still see even today the market is still exactly where actually we were yesterday. So it means the market actually did not really move that much. You see? So we just, when we do the analysis and when we take the whatever that we take the signal, guys, let's try our best to apply risk management. Actually, risk management consists of different things: lot sizes, stop losses, positions that you opened, closing your trades, not taking any trade. Those is part of risk management. But whatever that we do here, we just try to help each other. If we get it wrong, it's fine. It's part of the game. It's the same way when we share profitable signals. So people, they should just react the same. And don't forget to smash the likes, the like button, subscribe, so that you don't miss the later on signals. Live sessions. And today, obviously, I will have to go on live because Powell, he will be speaking. So I just want to see if the market will just react to that. But obviously, the market has to react. Yeah, for those who want to join the team, guys, for those who want to join the team, there it's my contact. You can see that it's $200. WhatsApp me or Telegram me, then you'll just get me. So let's go straight to the chart. So what do we see? Straightforward, you see Bitcoin there. There is Bitcoin. It's on 4 hours time frame. Bitcoin is still struggling, by the way. We're still on that. We can easily see that we are still on that downtrend. You can easily see that we are still on downtrend. So that downtrend, it's very, very easy to identify. And here we can see that the market is giving us a counter trend line. Then that doesn't mean that maybe the market is trying to recover. Nope. What we can do, we can even maybe mark this area as an area where the market reached and try to support. Then what we're going to do is, maybe the market is going to do something like this or push the upside, but the main area that we're looking at the moment or currently is this downtrend, and maybe the market will come back and respect this area, or maybe continue with this downtrend and break this support area there, or maybe we'll find the market maybe might respect this area and continue with this downtrend. I think before the market recovers, we're still going to see enough stuff that is going to happen in the market. It's gonna be crazy before we see that recovery. Whatever that is going to happen, I think still going to be crazy on the market, guys. You see, still going to be crazy. I'm not expecting anything, maybe a crazy recovery currently. Nope, I don't really expect that. I'm still just following whatever that I see. And fortunately enough that we have a strategy that we follow that helps us to see the bigger picture. So what I'm expecting here on German 40, we can easily see that the market, yes, is still on that downtrend. You can see that the market is still on downtrend. So what can we do on downtrend? It's quite easy. We will just expect sell positions. We wait for the market to respect whatever that we have. Then we can say, you know what, maybe the market will just do something like this. Yes, sometimes following whatever that we follow, it won't be 100%. Remember, this is not for crybabies. If you are in the market just to cry, or maybe just to make things to see things happening quicker, very quick, just like overnight success. Not You're not going to see that, unfortunately. We're not going to tell you that things they're going to be better, or may maybe you're going to make miracles within 2 days or 2 months. No, it's not going to happen like that. You're still going to face some losses, and people, it seems like they are afraid to tell you, guys, in this game we lose and we also win. If you maybe you here with your last 100 trends, or your last 10,000, or your whatever that you have, and maybe you want to try your luck, we don't use luck here. We use skill, knowledge that we repeat every day, and discipline. You see, yes, we lose, we disappoint, but you know what? Life can't stop. Life can't stop. If you lose, life's still going to happen. Life going to continue. Whether you lose, life's still going to continue. Whether we make money, still life's going to continue. So just take that. Just to react to that, and start to realize that, you know what? Whether you over risk, whether you don't over risk, the market is still going to continue. Whether you revenge the market or whatever, the market still continue. So why do you do that? Just try to apply risk management. Yes, along the way we're going to lose, but if we try to apply the risk management, if we try not to over risk, then mostly we will just make it. Yes, few days we might lose, but still we're going to make it. So here on German 30, what we are waiting for, I'm just waiting for the market to respect this area, or maybe to break this area. If it respects this area, you can see that I can have maybe a sell stop around that area, and I can say, okay, it's our time to do what? To sell. If not, maybe we will see a breakout go into the upside, and we can say, okay, now it's time for us to do what? To buy. Simple as that. Okay, we are on gold. I think this one on gold here, it's also trying to play games with us, but I like the fact that the market is actually respecting this area. So what I see is we had a sell. Actually, we had a very nice sell. You can see we had a breakout, by the way. So that breakout happened around this area, and I see a retest there. Do you see that? So let me try to zoom that. Maybe some of you watching this on a cell phone, maybe you don't really see that nicely, so let me just show you nicely. So guys, you see, you have to be like, when you trade, try to clear every mess that you have in your head. All those money goals that you have, try to clear them. Be free. Don't add any pressure on yourself, because once you do that, you're not going to have a nice planning when it comes to trading. Yes, we all need to survive, but other goals, they just extra, and they just add some more weight on ourselves. So try to clear your head, try to focus on the things that they're going to make you to have that lasting success, you see. So if you do that, then mostly things, they're going to be simple, you see. You can't able to get things at once. This tea is very nice. It's lemon tea, guys. So after this breakout, by the way, after this breakout, we see that the market came back and retest here again. You see, this is a breakout. Actually, the market broke out, tried to retest firstly, but this one was very quick. A retest, now it's back again. Then we might see the market maybe pushing to the lower side. So what we can do is we can just wait and see if the market wants to go to the lower side, or maybe mostly the market likes to consolidate. After the breakouts, the market might create something like this. You can see already we have that sort of a support area there. So the market might do something like that and say, you know what, the market might start to do something like this. It's possible, because it's still early on this breakout. Then after, maybe we'll see the market going lower. Something like that is way too possible. So what we expecting here, we just expecting the market to keep going lower. If it's also possible for the market to go up again and respect that support and push to the upside, which means going to create this as a fake move. It's not a fake breakout, but that fake move that always happens because there's so much stuff that is happening on the market currently, you see. So yeah, I'm still looking for, actually I'm still bearish on gold, but anything can still happen. Anything can still happen, you see. So let's push to the next one. Let's push the next one. Okay, we are on US oil. What do we see? I think this one is quite straightforward. Actually, we're supposed to have a buy above that area. Actually, yesterday, once we lost on NASDAQ, I just closed everything and I just wanted to reset my mind, you see, because even on Friday we took a loss. Even if the overall trades around during the month, actually we made something, but Friday we lost and Monday we lost. That is actually heavy, especially when you try to do so many things for people. So once you take a small loss, you just have to go back, see things in a different way. I'm forced to do this so that I can give you the right decision. So that's why I don't really send enough signals if we take any loss. I don't want to act out of emotions. I just want to act out of the structure or the strategy that we use, you see. So here we see a very nice breakout, which shows that the market is still on nice bullish momentum. So I'm expecting maybe a nice rejection, then maybe the market will keep pushing up again, or maybe the market will just keep pushing up like that. So, but what we can have here is quite simple, and it's something that we do like we always do. We can have something like that, around that, above that. It's something like a resistance, by the way. Around this area it seems to be like a resistance. If we push the to the bit lower time frame, because we understand the time frames, you see, so you see that might be something like that. So we see nicely, hey, this thing is very crazy, so it's long. So we might have something like that. You can see now it's clear that we have some sort of resistance above that. So it means, yes, above that area we might have a buy pending order, something like this. You can adjust your stop loss. Maybe the market will keep pushing up and it will find our order, and we can start to do what? We can start to eat. This guy's always calling me for no reason, so sorry. So yeah, let's push to the next one. Yeah, so okay, we are on US30. We are on US30. So US30 has been like trying. Yesterday actually broke out of our resistance. You can see that broke out of our resistance there. Let me show you this nicely. Let me show you this nicely. I want you to see this nicely. So we have something like this, by the way. Let me just remove this now. So what we have here is we have a nice structure. We have a very nice structure that it's a downtrend. Actually, you can see that nicely. The market was going down nicely, but along the way we saw that the market just broke out of that. You see that the market just broke out of this area, and we had a retest, several retests. Actually, the market was consolidating around that area. Yesterday we had a buy pending order. You know what? The market just went against us, but what I love is it shows that actually the only mistake that we had, it was that maybe our stop loss was very tight. You see, our stop loss was very, very, very tight, because yes, we did have this as a support area. You can see that. So our stop loss was supposed to do what? Our stop loss was supposed to be a bit lower, but that was also going to be like seriously crazy or very, very big stop loss. So actually, yes, we can just say, you know what, we have to learn something from this type of moves. We not, guys, we not done. We don't stop learning, guys. So we don't stop learning. Whatever that happens here is going to teach us that next day, yes, when you see something like this, try maybe to enter around this area, because I wanted to enter when the market was already pushing to the upside. But currently I can see if maybe we did that, if maybe our stop loss was around this area, below, at least below this support area, it means yes, we were not going to lose that trade. The market did not even push lower, which it's something that I see that yes, it means that we were right. But even if we lost, it means that tomorrow or the next day we just need to adjust some few things. We still keep learning. We don't stop learning, by the way. We don't stop learning. So yeah, I think maybe around this area, some people, they'll say, okay, they see something. Yes, that might be something, but after this breakout, sometimes the market don't really look at that. But yes, you can just keep looking at that. But sometimes you just have to give yourself like make yourself a favor, not just to look everything that is happening there, because you're going to see thousands areas. You see this area, you see this area. There are so many areas that you will end up looking. So some of them they just maybe delay you taking the trades. You see. So what I see is I'm still thinking that we can just easily wait here and say let's wait for the market to give us a very nice structure. At the moment, yes, we can see that the market just broke out, but this was a just a consolidation. Let's wait for the market to start to create nice move like that, because those moves that are easily, you can easily identify them and you can easily make money. You see, simple as that. So currently, I'm still bullish on US30. I still think the market will still push to the upside. But I'm waiting for a nice structure. You see, I'm waiting for a nice, very, very nice structure to happen before I say, okay, it's time for me to take a trade. You see. So let's push to NASDAQ. You see, even this one is also doing the same thing. You see. So on NASDAQ, actually, we were on the same level, by the way. Yesterday, the market was, or before, we saw that the market, we actually had some sort of a downtrend, a counter trend line, by the way. After that, we saw a breakout. From that breakout, we can easily see that we had some sort of a support area. And what I love is the market did not break that. You see, the market did not break that. So what we had some sort of a pending order around that area, because around this area I thought maybe the market will go above that area, then we'll start to push the upside. Yes, the market did that, but guess what? The market came back again and touched our stop loss. But if we see that actually we learned something, that we don't really have to place our stop loss inside that, but mostly just because we thought the market will start pushing to the upside. We thought maybe the market will just keep pushing up without coming back, something like that, because already we saw that the market created a very nice retest. So that was some sort of a continuation of the trend, but the market did not do that, by the way, and still the market is still there even now. So I hope this thing is not actually, since yesterday the market did not really move nicely, as we had this some sort of ranging market. Do you see that the market is just going up and down between those areas? And you know what, we took a loss, and it's a lesson anyways, not actually a loss. We learned something, and we're getting better and better every day. That's why we can win almost 90% of the time, you see. So yeah, I think maybe you can see what I'm expecting here. My expectation today, actually, on NASDAQ, I'm expecting this thing to push. Let me show you this. You can see actually we have another resistance on top of that. That is an outer one which is a bit stronger. So I'm expecting maybe the market to reach this area maybe before selling off, because yeah, I think before selling off, I think the market will do that, or maybe the market will then break that area and push the upside. But you know what, we don't have to guess. The market or the structure is going to help us to see that or to identify that. But currently I still think maybe the market will start to push the upside. Remember guys, when you join me, I follow the rules. I strictly follow the rules. If I don't send any signal in the group, it's because I don't see anything, and I don't want to just give you some risky trades, you see. So if I don't send you something, don't maybe try to remind me, because I know some people, they don't have that patience, you see. It's better to trade very few times, and then make money, than to trade multiple times and you have too much losses and also few wins. So that's how we're supposed to do this thing. This is a business, we can make money every day. So what I'm expecting is, maybe since the market gave us a clue here, we will see if maybe the market will also break that area. But still, even if it breaks that area, it will be showing us that it's actually pushing to the upside. Actually, the market, yes, is pushing to the upside, even though that maybe you can just jump on it, because we saw that the market is been rejecting for some time, you see. So I'm here to relax up to the market until the market reaches this area, because this is a downtrend. So I will just stick to the structure or the strategy. We are on a downtrend. Let's wait for the market to reach this area before we sell. Why? We trade with money. We don't really want to lose anything. So a small tip for new traders, or maybe for all whoever who maybe is trading and they still have issues. The problem is sometimes you are afraid to confront your weaknesses. You see, sometimes it's not people who are trying. Like, let's say maybe you have a mentor and you're still losing. Sometimes it's not your mentor, it's you. You are a difficult. You're so difficult to learn things. You see, so you have like fixed mindset. You don't want to take new things. You don't want to change and stuff like that. Yes, if you follow me, I'm trying to just try to be a student. Wherever you go, try to be a student. Even if people, you see that they don't really have enough information, yes, try to learn something from them. Maybe you can get something. So when you join us, when you join me, try to be the student and try to take as much as information as you can, because that is going to help you. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I know that if maybe you try to follow, if you try to follow whatever that I'm trying, or whatever that I will try to show you, most likely you're going to make profit most of the time. Yes, sometimes we're going to take some losses, and mostly those losses, we get these losses and we need to improve from that. Mostly we get losses exactly around close to the breakouts. Where there's breakouts, mostly it's where we get losses, because mostly around the breakouts the market doesn't give us a nice structure, and sometimes maybe we think the market is gonna push up or down. When we take a trade, the market goes another direction. But when the trend is already matured, after the breakout happened maybe 3-4 days ago, then it's where we see like consistent profit. So we need to improve from that. Yes, we can be perfect. We can be 100% perfect. Yes, you know what? We also have some weaknesses. We also have some things that we still have to deal with. Remember, we're not perfect in this thing. We just need to be like disciplined to follow everything that we say we need to follow. And then from there, we going to see some like serious improvement on our trading career. So if you want to be the student, if you want to learn, if you want to get those profits, but no overnight success, no overnight profits, guys. We trade 2 weeks without any progress. Sometimes we trade today, tomorrow we lose something. Then yes, that is part of trading. Don't expect to make money every day. That's crazy. That's crazy. You can't just expect to make money every day. Some people, they'll be saying, "Hey, Kenzo, can you trade for me 1, 2, 3? Then you can make this much every day." Are you crazy? I don't control the market. Well, you see. So we don't really control the market. So you should understand that yes, sometimes you're going to make money. Sometimes you're not going to make money. Sometimes I'm not going to trade. Sometimes you're going to lose. And that is progress. But if you start to gauge or try to to monitor your progress uh, within 2 weeks, or within 1 week, you should, to me, you are like seriously out of your mind. I can't say you are crazy, but actually you are crazy. You are in a wrong industry. You are here. All of us, maybe we join Forex because we want to be rich, but it's not like seriously is the way you see it. There's process that you should follow. When I'm talking about the process, there's things that you should learn emotionally, psychologically, risk management stuff and stuff like that. You have to be like seriously follow, like always disciplined. You see, then all those things, and there's losses, there's blown accounts, there is emotions attached to that blown account, because that money you really want to use that money, and once you blown that money, when you have to get money like somewhere, maybe it takes time for you. So there's emotional like attachment to finance or money or whatever that we do, you see. So but when you want to get rich quick, that's the problem. So it start to be like when you start to have those money goals, there is problems, you see. So please grow up, guys, because we can't always teach you like the basics things in the market. Where can you get rich within 6 months? I don't know. Even if you do anything, even if you have a business, I don't know. You can't just be rich within 2 weeks or within 3 months, sometimes even a year. So, but it depends. So, yeah, I think maybe you will take my advice. If you see me trying to show you the right route, yeah, and maybe you hear me saying don't be crazy, and you start to say this guy is crazy just because I said don't be crazy, then just know that you are a crybaby. You don't really like people showing you the right route, because the right route or the market will just slap you. The market doesn't care. I'm just trying to show you the route so that maybe, because when we talk to you like softer, you won't feel that. You see, you won't feel that. So I'm trying to make sure that you understand. We already felt the pain. We still feel the pain. We're still trying to recover whatever that we lost. You see, that is the process. That is the process. So I'm hoping that maybe you will improve. I'm hoping that you're going to subscribe. I'm hoping that you're going to like the video. If you don't like, it's also fine. Yeah, it's also fine. So life goes on, guys. So let's try our best to apply risk management at all times. Always learn to be how to be disciplined, and one way or another you're going to make it. You're just going to make it as long as you do those things. So I don't know if you still want to call me. Those are my WhatsApp, Telegram. If you want to join the team, $200, $45 monthly signals. $200 is 12 months. It's actually yearly. Some they can call that lifetime, but it's not actually a lifetime. There's nothing that you can just pay once and then you're done. Yeah. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.